If you're not commuting to work anymore, you may be feeling more sedentary, but even before the pandemic, you might have felt like you were sitting too much. One easy way to get in a little more movement during the day is an under-desk elliptical. There are many products available to choose pedal exerciser, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pedal exerciser from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wakeman Portable Folding Under-Desk Indoor Exercise Bike. For those who want something small, light, and easy to put away at the end of the day, this folding under DeskCycle is the simplest and cheapest option. Folded up, it's only 13 inches long and 6 inches high, and at 5.8 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, so you can easily move it to room. It's our second most bought elliptical, with nearly 5,000 purchased since 2019. While it's minimal in style, it still offers plenty of function. Non-slip foot pads keep it from sliding around while you use it, and foot straps on the pedals offer more stability. And like all the others, it has an adjustable tension knob and electronic display to track your activity. On Amazon, the elliptical has close to 8,000 ratings, over half of which are 5-star. It's nothing fancy, but for less than $50, it's a nice, simple machine for anyone who wants to maintain their mobility and movement. Number 2. Stamina Elliptical. This under-desk elliptical is our most purchased among readers by a long shot. Over 9,300 of our readers own the Stamina Elliptical, and it's well liked among Amazon reviewers, too, with nearly 8,000 5-star ratings. The elliptical is about as long and wide as others on this list, but it's slightly less high, which is something reviewers appreciate, saying it lets them move freely without hitting their knees on their desks. While it's not the lightest on this list, the less expensive folding option below is the lightest by a mile. At 24 pounds, it's still fairly compact and easy to move. It has an adjustable tension knob and digital monitor to track your activity, and unlike most under-desk ellipticals on this list, this one can be used standing, too. Several reviewers say they regularly use it while working at their standing desk. And for those who want personalized workouts, this is the only machine on this list that includes a no-subscription smart fitness app, which offers custom workouts. Number 3. DeskCycle 2 Under-Desk Exercise Bike and Pedal Exerciser. If noise is a concern for you, this under-desk elliptical is most praised by Amazon reviewers for its lack of noise. Our readers like the machine, too. They purchased the DeskCycle over 2,500 times since 2019, making it our third most purchased under-desk elliptical. What makes it so silent is the magnetic resistance, which makes for a smoother pedal motion. It's user-friendly bike, with an adjustable pedal height that lets you customize it to your desk height, and 8 levels of resistance, up to 39 pounds, so you can pedal based on your strength and fitness goals. And the large font LCD display is removable, so you can place it on a table for easier reading. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Portable Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. When Sunny Health says this under-desk elliptical is ready to use out of the box, it means it. Over 6,000 Amazon reviewers have given the machine 5 stars, and many confirm it really is that easy. Just open the box, put the elliptical under your desk, and start pedaling. That may be why this is our fourth most purchased under-desk elliptical, with 2,841 bought since 2019. Although it looks a little dated and clunky, it has all the same features as other ellipticals on this list, including a digital monitor, 8 levels of resistance, non-slip pedals, and a relatively compact size. Number 5. Jfit Under-Desk and Stand-Up Mini Elliptical Stepper with Adjustable Angle. The common complaint about under-desk ellipticals is that they sometimes slide around, depending what surface you place them on. That issue is solved here, since this elliptical can attach to your desk chair to help prevent any sliding. The front handle doubles as a hook for the wheel of your office chair, keeping everything in place so only your legs are moving. Another bonus. The machine has adjustable pedals for sitting and standing, so your feet are economically correct no matter how you choose to use the elliptical. With 1,115 purchases since 2019, this is our 7th most sold machine. And while it's the heaviest on this list, it has large front rollers for easier moving. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.